Okay, in this video we will learn about problem solving with Venn diagram. This time we will working with 3 sets, so later on you will see 3 circles in the Venn diagram. We will have 2 questions. We will start with the first question. If you want to stop the video, go ahead and then do it yourself, and then you can continue later on with us. Okay, let's discuss the first question. Okay, make sure that is correct. Okay. In a certain town, 3 newspapers are published. 20% of the population read A, 16% read B, 14% read C, 8% AB, 5% AC, 4% BC, and 2% read all 3 newspapers. What is the percentage of the population read blah 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 blah. Okay, first we have to make the Venn diagram for this question. Always remember, we always need to make a rectangle first. Okay, I hope this is big enough. Let's see later. And then don't forget to write the universe U over here. As you can see, we have 3 newspapers, A, B, and C. It means we will have 3 circles. Okay, here. Another circle. Here, another circle. Yeah, okay. So let's change the color. Can we? No, well, that's okay. So we have 3 circles. Let's name it. This one is for the newspaper. Oops, sorry, I forgot to change the mode. Okay. This is for newspaper A, and then newspaper B, finally newspaper C. Sorry. So as always, we want to start with the center. In this case, the one that read all 3 newspaper. The one that read all 3 newspaper is 2%. 2% read all 3 newspapers. So we will have 2% over here. Don't bother, I will just write 2 instead of 2% to save space. And then we go backward. 2% read, sorry, 2% read all 3 newspaper here, and then we go backwards. Now we go here. 4% read B and C. B and C in this area, this intersection over here, it should be 4%. But don't forget, since we already take 2% here, it means 4% in this area minus 2% here, we have the remaining is 2%. So this one is also 2 because 2 plus 2 is 4%. Now we go this way. 5% read A and C. So we go A and C, intersection between A and C here. This one we should have 5%, taken 2% over here. So the remaining we have 3%. Now we go back here. Oop, actually we go backward. Okay, 8% read A and B. A and B, intersection between A and B is this. See my cursor. It should be 8, but it's taken by this 2%. So we have 8 minus 2 is 6. So this one should be 6. Okay, next, again we go backward. 14% read C. So in this C circle, we should have 14%. But it's taken by 3, taken by 2, taken by 2. So we have 14 minus 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7%. Okay, we don't need to write the percent here. Okay, so this one should be 7%. And then we go backward again. 16% read B. So in this B, it should be 16%. Once again, it's taken by 6, 2, and 2. So 16% minus 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 16 minus 10 is, it should be 6. So this one should be 6. And then backward, last one. 20% of the population read A. Again, 20% of the population read A. It means 20% minus the one inside the circle A here. We have 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11. 11. So 20 minus 11 is 9%. So we have all of this number. That's it for our Venn diagram. But Pa, is this all 100%? All of them are here. It should be 100%, right? Let's check it all together. If it is not 100%, it means the remaining is here, outside this ABC. Now let's calculate it together. Okay, let's use calculator. Not good at this. Let's take the trusty calculator. I'm sorry, I don't have on-screen calculator now. You can use your own calculator. We have 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7. We have 35. It means 35% of the population read the newspaper, meaning 100%. The remaining one minus 35% is 65. It means 65% of the population does not read newspaper. 65% outside. Okay. Now we'll erase this. Okay. Now let's answer the questions. A. Let's make a space over here. A. What percentage of the population read none of the papers, which is outside the circle? We have 65%. B. At least one of the paper. At least one of the paper. It means all of them, because they all here at least read one, which is 35%. We just count it. C. Exactly one of the paper. Now this is exactly one. So the one that read exactly one, this one exactly one, which is A. This 6 also read exactly one, which is B. This 7 read exactly one, which is C. So if we combine them together, we have 9% plus 6% plus 7%, which is 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22, which is 22%. D. Either A or B. Either A or B. What is the meaning of either A or B? It means the one that read A or B. It can be both. Okay, but not C or not outside. So the one that inside this circle, all of them inside this. It's either A or B. Just calculate it together. 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is, if I'm not mistaken, it's just 35 minus 7 over here. We can write it as 35 minus 7, or we can just add all of these numbers. 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. Too much work. I will just write 35 minus 35% minus 7%, which is equals with 28%. Just make sure that's correct. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24, 26, 28. Correct. Okay. That's it for number 1. Now let's go to question number 2. It's a little bit smaller, the question. Oops, sorry. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Now, feel free to pause and then continue once you finish with your answer. Now, in a survey of university students, 64 had taken mathematics course, 94 taken chemistry, 58 taken physics. So we have mathematics. Let's mathematics make it as M, and then chemistry as C, and then physics as P. Okay. And 28 taken mathematics physics, 26 taken mathematics chemistry, 22 taken chemistry physics course, 14 taken all of the courses. Find how many had taken the course only. Now, let's make the Venn diagram for us. Okay, let's change the color. White Venn diagram. Okay, and then we make the universe. You always don't forget the universe. Then we need to make 3 circle. Let's copy that. Oh, sorry. Let's just make another one. That's easy. Okay. Last circle. Okay, that's nice. So we have mathematics, we have chemistry, we have physics. Okay, once again the same deal. We will start with the back. So 14, we always start with the middle here, yeah? The middle, the intersection between all of them. 14 taken all of the courses, it means 14 is over here. Okay, and then we go backwards. 22 taken chemistry and physics, chemistry and physics. This intersection is 22, so we just 22 minus 14 over here, we have 8. So 8 students. And then backward again. Oops, sorry. 26 taken mathematics and chemistry. Mathematics, chemistry, we have 26. This intersection we have 26. But once again, we have 14 here. We have 26 minus 14 goes with 12. It means 12 students are here. Nice. And then 28 taken mathematics and physics. Mathematics and physics, in this intersection we have 28. So 28 minus 14 equals with 14. So 14 over here. Then 58 taken physics. Physics is here. It means 58 minus all of the number here. 14 minus 14 minus 8 equals with, use your calculator, 58 minus 14 minus 14 minus 8. We have 22 students. 22. And then 94 taken chemistry. 94 chemistry. In this circle, sorry, In this circle, it should be 94. So 94 minus 12 minus 14 minus 8. 94 minus 12 minus 14 minus 8. 60 equals with 60 students here, chemistry. And then 64 taken mathematics, same deal, we have 64 minus all of the circle inside the mathematics, minus 14 minus 14 minus 12 equals with 64 minus 14 minus 14 minus 12 equals with 24. So this one is 24. Now, are we finished? No. We have to go back to the question. Find how many had taken one course only. One course only. So one course only. This one is one course. This one is one course. Only take chemistry. This one is also one course. Sorry. Now, how about this part? This 12. This 12 is not taking one. This 12 taking two courses, which is mathematics and chemistry. This 14 in the middle, they take all of the courses, mathematics, chemistry and physics. Okay, so to answer the questions, how many taken course only, which is 24 plus 60 plus 22. If I'm not mistaken, will be 106. Make a little, okay. So 106 students take only one course. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any question, just email me through sinowmaths@gmail.com. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.